Ever wondered how to make the perfect tzatziki sauce at home? Well, today is your lucky day. Welcome to the world of Greek flavors. Imagine a sauce that's creamy, tangy, and refreshing all at once. That's tzatziki for you. A traditional Greek sauce that pairs well with almost anything, from pita bread to grilled meats. Now, gather round, it's time to explore the secrets of this delightful sauce. First off, gather your ingredients. You'll need a cup of Greek yogurt, a medium cucumber, 2 cloves of garlic, a tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice or white vinegar, a tablespoon of fresh dill, and salt and pepper to your liking. Add a teaspoon of fresh mint for that extra touch of freshness if you fancy. Begin by focusing on the cucumber. After peeling and seeding, grate it finely. Now here's a key step. Drain that cucumber. Use your hands or a cheesecloth to squeeze out as much water as possible. This ensures your tzatziki won't turn into a watery mess. Next, bring out a medium bowl. Combine the drained cucumber, Greek yogurt, minced garlic, olive oil, lemon juice or vinegar, and chopped dill. If you're feeling adventurous, sprinkle in that optional mint. Now, season your mixture. Add salt and pepper to taste. But remember, the flavors will intensify over time, so start with a little and adjust as needed after it has rested. Once you've mixed it all up, it's time for a little patience. Cover your tzatziki and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This gives the flavors time to meld, and your sauce will thicken slightly. When you're ready to serve, give your tzatziki a good stir. Adjust the seasoning if necessary, and voila! Your homemade tzatziki sauce is ready to grace your table. A few tips before we wrap up. If you want an even thicker tzatziki, strain the Greek yogurt through a cheesecloth for a few hours or overnight. And for cucumber enthusiasts, leaving the skin on adds a touch of texture and color. So there you have it, a simple and delightful tzatziki sauce that brings a taste of Greece right into your kitchen. From pita bread to grilled meats, there's no limit to what you can pair with this versatile sauce. Thank you for joining this culinary journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Magnolia Moon for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking.